Ronus Bill here. We're at a Walmart, and look at these Deadpool movies. This is the actual Devil Wears Prada, but it's Deadpool. This is the actual Day After Tomorrow with Deadpool. Assassin's Creed.
The Terminator!
The Martian. War of the Planet of the Apes.
Aliens.
Hold on. City Slickers.
Predator.
Aliens. Predator. Edward Scissorhands. The Terminator.
Yeah.
The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. X-Men Apocalypse.
Fight Club.
Castaway.
Office Space.
Revenge of the Nerds. Now these are the actual movies
Well, just different covers.
with different Deadpool covers. It says right in here, this package contains the original film Fight Club. 127 hours.
Oh, Bubba, look.
Oh my god, that is so funny.
Look here.
And that is it.
He's holding his arm.
Here you go.
Look, it's a water gun.
And that is Deadpool movies here at Walmart.